Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing the crypto market update BTC, XRP, XLM, XDC, KASPA, and more in focus. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe. And for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, let's see what's happening in the market. So this is BTC, guys. In the last month, you know that BTC went down, and although, guys, it hasn't come down as much as we're used to in some of the past bear markets, but still, whenever BTC dumps a little bit or it dips a little bit, it always creates a panic in the entire market, guys. Obviously, guys, whenever something happens to BTC, everyone says that crypto is going to zero, although you can see that how much crypto is up, BTC is up since its all-time lows. Still, people think that the small dip means that the entire industry is going to zero, and BTC affects the entire market. Obviously, guys, let's see what's happening lately, guys. Market is recovering at the moment. You can see that. Just a moment, guys. In the daily, BTC is up 9.46%. If we look at XRP, XRP is up 13.32%. Where is XLM? XLM is up 16.13%. Nice. As far as XDC is concerned, XDC is up 6.74%. The entire market, guys, it is basically trying to recover. KASPA has performed really well in the daily. It is up 22.75%. We're looking at some of the utility centralized coins, some of the fair launch coin as well, like KASPA. Nexa is up 13.28% as well. Some of these coins, guys. So let's see what the people are saying, the community is saying about all of these projects, what's happening. So KASPA entering top 20 for the first time ever has a clear message for the top dinosaur coins. CAS will be in top 10. It's just a matter of when, not if. After BTC, guys, the proof of work that has got everyone's attention is KASPA. And recently, Nexa, guys, Nexa has caught my attention, and I think that it has the potential to be really big in the future as well, guys, because I think that it is one of the coins that is providing solutions that BTC was initially made for, guys, basically. So it might be the next BTC as well. Let's see what XRP is doing, what the community are saying about XRP, what's happening. As expected, XRP dumped 30% into our 47 level. This is going to be a massive level to hold on. Decent bounce so far, but still a ton of work to do on lower TF to dig us out of here. Holding that pivot low likely leads to the yellow count being in play. Repost if you're still here with us, XRP. The world will run on XRP and you are panic selling. So different opinions, guys. XRP went from 65 to 49 cents. Their clown Lambo heavy selling will resume soon, and XRP going to 13 cents. Okay, so different people, different opinions. Some are bearish, saying that it will go to 13 cents. Meanwhile, others are really bullish, and they're saying that the XRP will go to new heights soon. Look at this, guys. Such a huge rally upwards if it does that. XRP recently broke out temporarily, which looks to have been only an attempted breakout between price action and the RSI. There are patterns still present through bull divergences that can suggest a successful bullish breakout to be on the horizon. On a conservative note, with a breakout, $15 to $18 can be targeted levels. Awesome, guys. If that happens in an over 2100% climb, guys, awesome. But following the markets closely, we've witnessed full logarithmic scale follow throughs to take place successfully multiple times that can imply much, much higher. Okay, so cool, guys, cool. Let's see what XLM has been up to recently. What are the community members saying about XLM? So, guys, Stronghold and Velo, built on XLM, have basically carved their own community, guys. We cover them uh, regularly. XLM is taking over this place as the number one blockchain for institutional use. If you hold XRP or XLM, hit that follow button. If I'm not already following you, okay. Who else will be adding XLM as we go lower? So for a lot of people, it is an accumulation opportunity. Meanwhile, for a lot of people, it is a nightmare. Obviously, they're in a loss. This is another reason why I don't buy BTC. Okay, Franklin Templeton has a BTC ETF, and they are asking this: why buy the distraction when you can hold the disruption? The disruption will end the distraction. So, guys, this is the debate between utility coins, BTC, Ethereum, and different of these assets. You know that we try to cover all the dimensions of crypto from KASPA, Nexa to XRP, XLM, even BTC. So we try to cover it all. But in the long run, I think that BTC I think it should survive for uh, for us to basically stay intact and be sane because whenever BTC dips, guys, we the entire market suffers a lot. I'm fine with BTC rallying upwards towards all-time highs. That is really good. Only here at Cripper X, okay. XRP, XLM, XDC, market dump publicly over 2 months ago on May 23rd and June 10th. We told everyone markets were most likely going to redistribute and pull back into 1.7 to 1.5 trillion dollars. We mentioned that it would get worse before it gets better. Everyone was saying we were crazy and we weren't bullish enough. Is it time for you to mature in your trading, investing career yet? Learning fundamentals, risk on, risk off, joining a community of individuals who actually make money in these markets. Stop relying on bullish moon boys and magic indicators. Time to level up. Now we buy when everyone is fearful. If you were buying when the moon boys told you to buy last month, when they said BTC was going to 100K, your portfolio is down 40% to 70%. Oh, yeah, it's true. These markets aren't complicated if you actually know how they move and why they move. But obviously, guys, it is really easy to say that something when it has happened. I know a lot of people, a lot of veterans that were hodling their coins, guys, and they were fearful that if they sell it, the market is going to be rallying. It's just I think there's an element of luck over here as well. Some of the time when you sell it, the market dumps. The other times when you sell it and suddenly the market booms up. So you never know, guys. You never know. But obviously, there are some indicators. I agree, and I would be happy that if there are people who have really great indications and predictions, that helps a lot of people, obviously. Okay, let's see what QNT is up to. The QNT community. What are they doing at the moment? QNT couple decent TX in. First TX of 1,508 QNT. This private wallet has accumulated 13,041 QNT in the last 2 months. Second TX of 2,603 QNT. This private wallet has accumulated 14,134 in the last 2 months. Both hadn't purchased for 1 month. They have no outflows and only hold QNT. So basically, they are QNT maxis. There are a lot of people, guys, that have conviction holds in only one project they believe in. They basically pour in money, DCA, time and again in only one asset, and they basically ultimately want it to succeed with conviction. So this is also a good strategy if you invest in only one project, but that project has longevity to it and it can succeed in the long run. Yep, a follower asked me for my thoughts on Quant. We were at $170 at the time, and I said it looked like it would correct down to $40 to $70. It is currently trading around 60-ish, $60-ish. Let's see what Quant is doing, by the way. Quant, 14.75. Okay, it's exact $16.02. Cool. It is up 14.75%. And I said it looked like it would correct down to $40 to $70. It is currently trading at around 60-ish. This is a recurring theme in this space, most recently with memes, but it happens with most coins that have a strong following. The thing is, it is not personal, never has been. I'm not coming for your coin. I probably couldn't care less or more about it. I just call it how I see it. When you attack and ridicule me for that, it just makes it more difficult for you to see things objectively, and at the end of the day, that will only harm you. The ones that win in this space are the ones who are open to respectful debate, disagreements. Yeah, I agree. This space needs to open to debates, disagreements about coins, about projects, about some negativity of or surrounding a project. We should uh, get out of that cult mindset, guys. Basically, the ones who are open to seeing both sides, not just the one that they want to see. Be open minded. Your wallet will thank you in the future. So, guys, what do you guys think about the latest crypto market updates? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.